Hi, I'm Scott the Chemsol guy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your ES65 dispenser from Chemsol. So I've run into a couple different customers who have this issue. You take a tube, we're going to fill the bucket, and remember we're looking for foam. And what happens as we're filling, there's no foam at all. So if you don't see any foam like that, there's not any product in the water, which means you're mopping your floor or loading your water scrubber just with water. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your cabinet, check and make sure you've still got chemical in your jug. Okay, we can see there's lots of chemical in here. Okay, so that's not the problem. Next thing, if that's not the problem, is we're going to take the faceplate off. If you've got a knob like this will just pull off. Okay. The earlier models have a screw in the middle. You can undo that screw and then it'll pull off. But one thing to notice is there is a little black alignment knob up here. So this alignment knob needs to be square when you put it back on, otherwise the faceplate won't fit. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws. We'll just take those out. And the faceplate is off. Now we were using the bucket fill side. Okay, that's attached to this. So again, we're just going to make sure and it's just putting out water. There's no product. So you may have one of these. I may have left you an extra one. You might have to get one from me. But the first thing we're going to do is, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little blue nozzle in there, and that's what sucks the chemical, or that's what controls how much chemical is flowing. So we're going to take the tube that connects it, we're going to pull that off, and we're just going to unscrew this. So we end up with that, and we're going to take that blue nozzle out. Here's the bad one, and we're going to put it into a good one. Put the blue nozzle back in. And you certainly don't need a wrench. This is always just hand tight. And you'll feel it when it comes to the end of the screw. Plug it back in, just like that. And we're going to see now. We've got a bucket full of water. Okay, that's still clearly just giving us water, no products being sucked up. So we know that this wasn't the problem. Okay, so we got a new one. We're going to keep that. And we're going to take this complete air gap off. So that comes off, and then it just pulls out of your tube. Okay, there's the bad part. Here's a new one. Connect those two. Again, hand tight. This can go up, just thread it on. And again, this will go hand tight, just like that. Dispenser tube goes underneath. This one connects here, and let's see what we got. Look at that. And we got a nice bucket filling up with hydrogen peroxide. That's how we know we got product. And in this one it's mixing at 1 ounce per gallon. Got any questions about that, or you find you've encountered that problem and you need one of these parts, give me a call or a text or an email. Scott the Chemcell guy at 306-539-4501 or scott@chemcell.com. Oh yeah, so let's put this back on. Remember how I said this has to be lined up? And when you take this knob off, it only goes on one way. There's a little slot right here and a little spacer right here where it lines up with. Okay, and that's how you troubleshoot it. Give me a call if you need anything.